Fridays are never dull at Sheraton Grand Hotel Doha's Hubara restaurant. Enjoy a brunch unlike anything you've experienced before, with their wide selection of gastronomic delight brought to life by their talented chefs for only 330 Qatari riyals per person. Call them now at 4485-3000 for reservations. Hey guys, how was your sport day? Well, guess what? I'm back here at the Entertainment World Village for another episode of the Weekend Roundup. The Weekend Roundup is where we tell you about all the coolest events happening here in Qatar over the weekend. First off, the winter season in Qatar reaches new heights as Torba Farmers Market is still open and ready to welcome you from 8 a.m. in the morning until 6 p.m. every weekend at Education City's Ceremonial Court. There's surely something for everyone, so be sure to visit them to enjoy the finest local produce and support local vendors. We'll see you there. Next up is one of Qatar's finest. The Doha Festival City has transformed into a fashion and beauty utopia for the month of February, and it's packed with stylists, beauty enthusiasts, and fashion trendsetters to give Doha's discerning ladies a weekend to remember. Don't miss out by visiting them daily from 10 a.m. until 11 p.m. Another free screening by the Doha Film Institute is making its way to the Museum of Islamic Art Auditorium, and this weekend, Chinese activist WEIWEI's award-winning documentary film, Human Flow, is on the spotlight. Catch its Thursday and Friday screenings by reserving your free tickets on the DFI website now. Next up is a 5K walk around the Doha Corniche organized by the Qatar Expat Women Organization, and it's happening this Saturday morning from 9 a.m. until 11 a.m. and everyone's welcome to join. Plus, a British ex-army fitness trainer will give fitness advice along the way, so you better make sure to wake up early on that day. Sing your heart out under the starry night sky while bundled around the bonfire with 365 Adventures harmonious acoustic night in the desert happening tomorrow from 1:30 p.m. until late night at the Inland Sea. Tickets are selling like hotcakes, so hurry! So you think you know Souk Waqif better than us? For our last event, let's see if you can get yourself around 9 clues hidden in the humongous Souk Waqif. And if you do, you might just win a desert safari, a kayaking tour, or a Dow cruise voucher. The fun kicks off tomorrow from 4 until 6 p.m. For ticket details, make sure to visit the 365 Adventures website right now. So I guess that's it guys for today's episode of the Weekend Roundup. If you enjoyed it, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe. And if you guys want to know more about fun events in Qatar before they happen, then make sure to download the Qatar Events app and you'll never miss another event again. Available on Android and iOS, the app is completely free and it's easy to use. And also don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter and be up to date with what's happening in and around Qatar. For more details, visit our website iLoveQatar.net. Happy weekend and salam! So we're done guys? I can go to the Farid reel? Yes, let's go! Woohoo!